Quantitative methods for choosing projects. Equity analysis. Internal return rate. The internal rate of return, IRR, is a financial metric that measures the profitability of an investment or project. It is the discount rate at which the net present value, NPV, of the cash inflows from the investment equals the net present value of the cash outflows. In other words, it is the rate at which the project breaks even, or the rate at which the investment's returns are equal to its costs. To calculate IRR, you need to know the cash inflows and outflows of the investment over time, as well as the initial investment amount. Then, you can use a trial and error method or a financial calculator to find the discount rate that sets the NPV of the cash inflows equal to the NPV of the cash outflows. The IRR can be used to compare different investment opportunities or to evaluate whether a specific investment is worth pursuing. If the IRR is higher than the required rate of return or the cost of capital, then the investment is considered attractive. Conversely, if the IRR is lower than the required rate of return, then the investment is not considered profitable. There are several application boundaries of IRR. 1. Uneven cash flows, IRR. Assumes that cash flows are evenly spaced and consistent over time. In reality, cash flows can be irregular or unevenly spaced, which can make it difficult to calculate an accurate IRR. 2. Multiple IRRs. For some projects, there may be multiple IRRs due to changes in the sign of the cash flows. In these cases, IRR may not provide an accurate measure of the potential profitability of the project. 3. Reinvestment assumption. IRR assumes that all cash flows are reinvested at the same rate, which may not be realistic for all projects. The assumption of reinvestment at the same rate may be unrealistic for some projects, particularly those that involve significant uncertainty or risk. 4. Project scale. IRR does not consider the scale of the project, which may be important for evaluating the potential value of the project. A small project with a high IRR may not be as valuable as a larger project with a lower IRR. 5. Financing assumptions. IRR assumes that the project is financed entirely with equity, which may not be the case in reality. The financing structure of the project can have a significant impact on the IRR calculation and may need to be taken into account when evaluating the potential profitability of the project. 6. Non-financial factors. IRR is a financial metric and does not consider non-financial factors that may impact the potential value of the project, such as environmental or social impact.